We all born as a confident person. Remember the days where you just lived life as it was, playing, crying, laughing and enjoying. You don't even care about what you are wearing, which day it is, what you will eat that day. You felt happy and joyful with your life. And then external condition kicked in. Your parents, siblings, teachers said, you can't do it. This is not your league. You are looking so thin. Eat more. Why are you always so clumsy? Why can't you do it to your 100%? And then it went downhill from there.
You became so shy, you started to believe that you are not good enough, not smart enough, and not beautiful enough. So, all those childhood obtained beliefs truly form your life as it is right now. But don't worry, I have a positive announcement. You can change it. As long as you want it, you can change it. You just have to unlearn to hate yourself, to believe what others says, and persuade yourself that it's not truth. It's huge and may become an uncomfortable process, but you know that you are the greatest project you will ever work on.
So here are our 6 tips on how to boost your self-confidence and live your best possible life being satisfied and joyful. Number 1, be aware of your body posture and body language. Your body posture and body language plays the biggest role in increasing your self-confidence. I know maybe you didn't notice this, but the way you walk, talk and shake hands with others, all these things matter in increasing your self-confidence. Just put a smile on your face will also affect your confidence in yourself. Try it, see yourself in the mirror and put a smile. You will instantly feel good about yourself. You will feel relaxed and calm. Wait, I'm not talking about putting a creepy smile. Just smile as you always do and always carry a smile when you meet others.
So the second point is take care of yourself. Taking care of yourself not only make you a fitter person but a confident person as well. If you neglect your physical and emotional health, it can leave you feeling drained and discouraged, causing your confidence level spiral downward even further. Even though it may seem difficult, but try to push yourself to do those little things that are good for your body and your soul. Wake up early, go out of your home, do some exercise, do meditation, do yoga, whatever you are comfortable with, and drink enough water, take care of your skin. Even taking these small tiny steps towards your self-care routine can make a huge difference in how you feel yourself. When you see the changes in yourself physically and mentally, then you will automatically feel more confident about yourself.
Number 3, keep on going. We all get a little afraid sometimes. We all feel overwhelmed by starting a new goal, a big task or a new chapter in our life. The first step is usually the hardest, but once you have taken that decision to start, you will find that momentum builds and you will get a sense of achievement and self-belief, because sometimes it's not about you are an underconfident person, it's just you are new at something. For example, see our 5-month back videos. You will clearly see the difference. It's not that we were an underconfident person, it's just that we have never recorded something like this. It was new and weird for both of us. So when we start doing something, we just need to have this in our mind that we will become better at things when we continuously do it with learnings. Practice and persistence will only makes us confident in our life. Whether you are speaking up in the stage, cooking food, learning a new task or becoming a fitter person. The more you practice and become persistent at your task, the more confident you will feel in yourself.
So the fourth point is surround yourself with people who believe in you. Sometimes we don't feel confident in ourselves unless someone else who believes in us make us feel that we are good enough. Everyone needs that one person in his or her life that shows that they are worthy of their dreams, beliefs and beauty. And it's great to have moral support from our family, friends or colleagues, because it helps us to be strong in any tough situations. When you know that there is someone by my side, then you feel comfortable and relaxed, and this gives you a power to face any tough situations or challenges that came in our life. So always try to be around people who impart positive energies and make you feel confident in who you are. People who try to push you ahead in life and barely questions your abilities. People who can tell you in your face that you are wrong when you make some mistake, but after that also helps you to come out from that mistake.
Number 5. Erase negative thoughts from your mind. We all get low on self-esteem at some point in our life, and it can be hard to get out of that trap of always thinking negative about yourself. But if you always focus on negative thought, then it will make you feel more worse about yourself, your self-esteem, and it will make you a person who will always give up easily on things without even trying their 100%. Self-criticism makes you feel unsatisfied with your achievements and messes up with your self-confidence. Being a confident person isn't a one-day activity, but rather a never-ending path towards your overall personal development that helps you be happy and satisfied within yourself. So instead of letting negative thoughts control your mind, shift it to the positive ones. Whenever you think I'm not smart, think maybe right now I'm not smart, but will learn and work hard to become a smart person. Whenever you think I'm not attractive, think I will do things to make myself a better version of me. Whenever you think I'm not good at study, think maybe I am good at something else. I just need to find out what I'm good at. Just try focus on the things that are real and achievable to you instead of filling your mind with the junk thoughts about yourself that may not be even true.
6th point is look at what you have already achieved. In this era where everything is going so fast, we do many times forget our own achievement, and it's easy to lose confidence if you believe that you haven't achieved anything. So make a list of all the things that you are proud of in your life. It can be anything, whether it's getting a good marks on exam, or getting a medal on sports, or acknowledgement of your work in your office. And also keep this in mind that an achievement should not be a medal or acknowledgement paper. It can be anything. For example, when you put an effort to get the result you are waiting for so long, like losing weight, quitting bad habit, or helping people around you. Keep the list on your purse and add every new stuff that you do which make you feel proud, and after that, whenever you feel low in confidence, pull out the list to use it to remind yourself all the awesome stuff you have done, and always keep striving yourself to do more. And also do not get stuck on these achievements, because there are many more to come in your life.
So these are the key points we found that we all can practice and gain our self-confidence. Try it for yourself, and after trying this point, tell us in the comments below which point helped you to gain your confidence. Till then, like this video, share it with your friends and family, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.